Hi, my name is Daniel Hookwater, and I'll be walking you through your University of Michigan Science Olympiad 2021 invitational registration. At this point, you should have already completed the pre-registration, and if you have successfully done so, you will receive an email somewhat like this from our UMSO account. So simply click the link in the email, and it will redirect you to our Scilympiad webpage. From there, you can register the school, register a new school or division, and then fill out the relevant information. So some required information is going to be the school name, so here we'll put example high, the school division, the district, and then a short name for your school if you want to have some kind of abbreviation, so here we'll do EH, and then optionally this county. But one thing you will need to make sure you include is the mailing address so that we can send you medals or any supplemental materials we need to provide for the competition. So here we'll do 123 Main Street, Fayetteville, Michigan. So the rest of this information is generally optional, so you don't actually have to complete it, but if you'd like to, we always encourage you to because it provides information for Scilympiad as a platform to get demographic information and just a lot of information about your schools and who are participating. So once you've filled out the necessary fields, you can go ahead and click Submit. And just like that, you're registered for the competition. Now, because the pre-registration will be managing exactly who's going to get into the competition, you don't have to worry about, being waitlisted on Scilympiad or exactly how your school's registration status is set up in the system. So, as long as you're registered and you receive that confirmation email, you're all set. So, once you've done this, you can add a second team. Additionally, you can view the registration fees and your head coach dashboard. From here, you can manage all registration as well as invite other coaches. So if you have assistant coaches or want to have multiple managers, or you can follow through with the sign up, compliance, and tournament day information. There will be more videos in the future to talk about each one of these segments, but this is pretty much it for now. Now that you've gone through the entire registration process, you can sit tight and feel secure. So now that you've completed the entire registration process, you can sit tight and So once you've done this registration, you'll receive an email from Scilympiad, and at that point, you can sit tight and feel confident in the fact that you have been successfully registered to the competition. We look forward to interacting with you more in the future, and keep an eye out for any communications we may send your way. Thanks for watching.